uligan kang friends mo. Ano ka mo ka man?
Ano kayo sinangay mo nabi mo? Nagbalan ko bakulan ako iPhone 16 Pro Max 1TB kagifulit eh. Ano kaya ilain mo tanaan na?
Bisan ano mo lang radaan mo. Kaso kay ambisyosa ka man.
Ay, gusto mo? Makipag-break ka na ako? Okay. May baralas man ako maiban.
Ay, basta na ipagaw. Gusto mo, ipadamdam ko kanimo ang tabokaw na.
Naaalala ko bang mga tawa niya? Masaya. Nakakahawa. Yakap niya. Mainit. Parang araw. She was my sister. She was my best friend.
To the world, she was happy. To her friends, she was wrong. Pero sa likod ng mga saradong pinto, unti-unti siyang natuturo.
Lumaban siya sa isang digmaan na walang ibang nakakakita. Araw-araw suot niyang tapa. Akala niya, kaya niya ang lahat. But one day, she couldn't resist it anymore. Depression took her away. This isn't sudden, slow, painful, at ang lahat naging bulag, pipi at bungi.
What if you fail? Will you blame your friends? Kadalasan, pinagsasawang bahala natin ang mga taong handang tumulong sa mga inaarap natin sa buhay. Ngunit ang tanong, kaya ba talaga nating mag-isa?
We are capable of doing things alone, but we can do better if we work together.
What happens when a student walks into a classroom carrying silent anxiety or hidden sadness? Are teachers and staff equipped to notice when a student is struggling? Or are we to focus on grades to see the person behind them?
Does the neighborhood we live in offer support or silence? Or are we still trapped in a culture where talking about mental health is seen as weakness?
Does parents listen to their child saying, "Kaapoy na mo, amo lang niya makaya ko," or "I can't do this anymore"?
Do our friendships build us up or break us down? Can we say to a friend, "I'm not okay," and know them listen without laughing or turning away?
In our romantic relationships, are we finding peace, trust, and emotional safety?
All these parts of life are connected threads in the fabric of our mental health. So I ask you, not just once but again, where does mental health begin?
Maybe
the better question is,